Hi guys, it's Miss Magruder and my daughter McKenna.
Hi.
And we're showing you a cool craft today to do for this wonderful Memorial Day weekend coming up. And it is called Salt Fireworks. And we can't wait to show you. Let's get started. So all you need for this craft is paintbrushes. And if you don't have paintbrushes, you can use a plastic straw cut in half to pick up your watercolor with. And you will need some glue, some paper. Try to use cardstock or a thicker paper so that it doesn't bleed through. You need salt and food coloring or liquid watercolor, whichever one you have, and a couple of little cups to put your paint in. So the first thing we want to do is draw our fireworks, and you don't have to draw them ahead of time. You can also draw them with your glue bottle. Okay, so I just happened to draw some here, and I'm going to trace over that with my glue, and Kenna is just going to use the glue bottle to paint hers on. Okay, I have outlined one of my fireworks in blue, and Kenna is making hers on her paper just in straight lines. Good job. Okay, now it's time to add the salt. I added some salt to mine. I just sprinkled it on, and Kenna is going to do hers now.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You might also want to spread it out.
No. We can do
that's
this way. Okay. Yeah, so when you're shaking it, just try to do it
Yeah, not too much.
not too much at once.
Like tap on the bowl or something.
Yeah, just okay, we added our salt to our fireworks, covered them really good, and then we shook the excess off into the sink. So now we're ready to do our painting. So we're using food coloring, and you can also use watercolor paints. And go ahead and put yours in too. Making red and blue, but you can do any colors that you want. And make it pretty concentrated.
You might also want to shake the water up so it doesn't get
You can shake it up. You just want to put a little bit of water. You don't want a lot of water. And then when you dip your paintbrush in, you want to dip it lightly. Don't get it too wet or else it's not going to work right. So we just dipped it. And then you watch the magic happen. And you just touch your fireworks.
That looks very cool.
Looks very cool. So why don't you try your blue one?
Yeah, I should.
I'm going to do some red and some blue.
Wow, look at mine.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Don't put too much on.
And you just want, see, you're doing a lot of water there, so you have to you just gently tap. That looks really good, Kenna. Woo, look at it.
Wow.
It spreads so fast. Wow.
It kind of looks like sand.
Yeah, it does. Does it remind you of the beach?
Yeah, like American sand. Imagine if there is colorful sand. That'd be so awesome and crazy.
That'd be awesome, huh? There you go. Just tap it gently. And here are our finished products. Memorial Day fireworks. Was that fun? Now we can hang them up for the weekend. We hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for joining us.